Welcome to Denny's Roofing, your trusted local roofing expert in Louisville, Colorado. Looking for reliable roofing services for your home or business? You've come to the right place. Our team specializes in high-quality roofing solutions tailored to the area. We've got you covered, whether it's repairs, replacements, or installations. Our professionals prioritize honesty and transparency in our evaluations. Trust us to accurately assess your roof's condition and identify any wind or hail damage. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We're here to exceed your expectations. Count on our experienced team to protect your property with durable, long-lasting roofs. Call us today at 970-808-0247 for a free evaluation and estimate. Visit dennysroofingllc.com/Louisville-roofing-company to learn more about our services. Rest easy knowing that our team of experts is dedicated to delivering top-notch service with a smile. Let us take care of your roofing needs with professionalism and expertise. Join our satisfied customers who rely on us for dependable roofing solutions. Your roof is our priority. Contact Denny's Roofing today for all your roofing needs.